Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is rhythm guitar chord progression number two, and I'll be using chords of A minor, G major, and E major. These three chords. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. Appreciate you guys. So let's get started. Okay, again, in this chord progression, I'll be using the chords of A minor, G major, and I'll primarily be going back and forth between those two chords. A minor, G major. I'll go through those 3 times and then I'll be going to E major lastly. Be strumming all the strings on E major. So A minor, G major, back to A minor, and then lastly E major. Okay? Now the strumming pattern on this, it's 4/4 times, there's 4 beats per measure. I'll be using the same strumming pattern as the chord progression I used in video number 1, chord progression number 1. It's the same. A little bit different. I'll be using some palm muting. You just want to palm with this part of your hand when you're muting the strings. So the strumming pattern that I'll be using is down, up, palm, up, down, up, palm, up, down, up, palm, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, palm, up, down, up, palm, up, down, up, palm, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So the chord progression, if you look at the chart above, it'll be A minor. I'll play through it pretty slow one time, okay? Okay, when you get to the E, you just want to do simple down, up, down, up, down, up strokes. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so now let's, if you feel comfortable with that strumming pattern, let's play through using guitar jam track number 2A. Jam track number 2A. So here we go. Okay, good job. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Feel free to play through that jam track number 2A as many times as you want. Just have a great time jamming and a great time practicing as well. All right, be sure and check out my playlist for other jam tracks and other chord progression videos that you may enjoy as well. Be sure and give me the thumbs up for this video if you'd like to see more videos like this. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not a current subscriber. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.